My hair journey has just been an emotional roller coaster. I never really viewed wigs as an option or an alternative for my hair issues. Back in the day, it kind of just seemed taboo. But now, I mean, it's all over Instagram. I'm hopping on the bandwagon. Hi, my name is Carly, and today I'm getting a custom wig. But before you see my transformation, make sure to subscribe below. So growing up, I had these luscious, beautiful curls. Everyone was envious of them. And as I got older, I burned my hair with straighteners, curlers, I got perms, I got all these chemical treatments. It took me all these years to finally accept my own hair. I told myself that I would let it grow out and just live the natural life. And then I started experiencing hair loss. It's a very emotional thing, and it's really taken a toll on my self-esteem. To have it be falling out, it just feels really unfair and really frustrating. After nights of crying and seeing all this hair fall out in the shower, I am getting a custom wig today. I'm also very eager to learn just the general tips and tricks for maintaining a wig. I know that they're expensive and I am not trying to this up. I'm just ready to look bomb.
Hey Carly.
Hi.
Okay, so you're here today to get your custom wig.
Yes.
My name is Daly Green, and I am the owner of H2 Salon Brooklyn.
You have beautiful curly hair.
Thank you.
I love it. The color is beautiful. The curl is gorgeous.
Thank you.
What we're gonna do first is get you prepped for the wig.
Okay.
And then we'll put the wig on.
I'm so excited.
Yay!
We are going to put her hair into 2 ponytails and braid them down. And then after that, we're gonna take the 2 pigtails and crisscross them and pin them very gently in the back of her head so that she feels comfortable. I do not like tension, I don't like tightness, and I don't think for her hair texture that there needs to be this braid down that needs to happen. I also want her to be able to take it off and take her hair out and wash it and then put it back in when she wants to do it again. How I got into making custom wigs this was about 10 years ago. There were a lot of women transitioning out of relaxers into curly hair. And instead of doing weaves, I thought a safer approach would be to do a wig.
Easy enough.
And now all your hair is pretty flat and it's close to your head. And
Okay.
possibly weave. That's really it.
Cool.
If you want, remember those clips that kind of been back and forth
Yeah.
when you were little?
Yeah.
You can use those too.
I can do this.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
I made a wig for Carly and I colored it for her. We are going to put the wig onto Carly's head. Here is your custom wig.
It's beautiful.
I'm so excited.
The texture matches your hair perfectly.
Perfect.
What I want you to do is take both of your fingers at the temples of your head. Okay, so you're gonna kind of hold this with the tip of your finger, and I'm gonna pull this back. So I didn't put a wig cap on you, only because wig caps are a little bit warm
Okay.
and hot, and also
Yeah.
too, I feel like they're made out of a synthetic material, nylon, and so it's like wearing a pair of pantyhose on your head all day, and I feel like the tension
Yeah.
from that rubbing can take away your hairline.
Yeah, we don't need that.
No. So this is just the lace base. I'm gonna cut the wig and frame her face so that it really looks like it's her hair. One of the most important aspects of getting a wig is getting it cut to fit the person's face and their style. Sometimes wigs come and they're too long, sometimes wigs come and they're too heavy in the front, so it's important to really have a bespoke wig experience and curtail it to the need of the client. After it's been cut, I'm going to take the wig off of her. I'm going to wet it down. I'm going to dry it under the dryer on its own, and then once it's completely dry, I'm going to put the wig back onto Carly's head. I'm going to style it curly so that it looks just like her hair. And she's all done. Okay, are you ready for this?
I am.
I'm so excited for you. Okay, let me turn you around.
See it. Oh my god. It's so natural. Like it looks like my hair.
It really does. It's beautiful. Good.
It has all the volume that I don't have anymore, and I
Right.
want it.
How do you feel about the color?
It's beautiful.
Okay.
You know, my hair is damaged and I don't want to put color in it, so
Okay.
this is perfect. It looks like I was sun-kissed.
Good, it's gorgeous. When wearing a wig, I think that it's important to take care of your hair underneath. Carly is a beautiful young woman who is experiencing hair loss. And I do understand that it is a personal issue that she has to grapple with every single day. So doing this wig for her is been very pleasurable for me, and I'm so excited that we found texture that matches hers and enhances what she already has.
It looks like me. It is me.
It's
so
beautiful.
beautiful.
Thank you for watching this hair transformation. For more videos, click here. To subscribe, click here.